In September 2021, Time Team visited the Broughton Castle estate near Banbury in Oxfordshire. The investigations revealed a huge Roman villa. But while we were there, we couldn't resist the opportunity to delve inside Broughton Castle itself.
In this house you get all sorts of clues, they're sort of mysteries really.
Martin, this is the most beautiful manor house. Why is it called a castle?
So this is the bit where we think Prince Rupert positioned his cannon after the Battle of Edge Hill.
Was there any damage to the castle as a result?
What I suppose it really makes it clear, seeing it like this, is quite how isolated it is.
So these two, they're kind of the heroes of the story.
So whichever room they met in, whether it was this one or the other one, it's really exciting to think that those dissidents met here and talked treason, something that if it had been overheard could have led to their deaths.